Welcome to another session of Microsoft Word. Today we will be learning a new feature called ruler. So we will be learning how to use ruler and we will do a small demo on the same. What is a ruler? Ruler helps the users in controlling the margins of the document and the indentation of the paragraph. What it does is ruler in our help page. You remember how we used to use ruler in school to give margins? Well, the ruler has a very similar use here as well in the documents. We will be using the rulers to align the text and images in the document, help in changing the margin of the document, help in adding tab stops to maintain the alignment of the document while printing it on the screen, and also changing the indentation easily of multiple paragraphs at the same time. Well, this is a very useful feature and you will see how do we use it. So let's see the use of ruler. Now, can you guess where we will be able to locate the ruler? Well, you remember that we went to review, sorry, we went to view, and in view there is ruler, right? So this is what the ruler is. It basically helps and sets your tab stops, adds your borders, and even aligns your images and text. So let's say I want to write this is the session for Microsoft Word. We will be adding an image now, right? Now, now that we have written this, we go to insert and we go to picture. Yeah, you can go to stock images. Once you go to stock images, let it load. As you can see, number of images are getting loaded. And let's say we want to add this image. So select on it, come to insert, click on insert, and the image has got added. I will decrease the size so that it's easier to see what I'm going to do next. Now we go to view and we add rulers. The moment we add rulers, as you see, there's a border here and there's a border here, right? You see this hourglass kind of thing feature here. And then there is the half of the hourglass here as well. And this are the tap stops. Now what happens if we do this? So this top layer of this hourglass is called the first line indent. The next is called the hanging indent. And this is called the right indent. Now let's say I want to select this image. I click onto this hourglass. Sorry. I click onto the first line indent and I shift the same on the side. Now I can increase this as well. In case I want to increase it till here, I can do the same. As you can see, till here, I can increase the picture if I want to, because I have shifted the right indent, right? Now let's compress it a bit more and shift it onto side. This is how the first line indent works. Now let's say I want to shift this. What I do is I can shift, take it and select it in the between. I can select both. Because this is the first line indent, I can just put it till here. For this one, I can just add it here while the image remains here. Isn't this important? You see, I did not have to keep on clicking spacebar to shift the document from here till here. What I had to do is just use the ruler and shift the same. But you must be thinking that this might get changed when you're printing the document. Absolutely not. The ruler helps you in maintaining the alignment. Even if you print the document, you will actually not lose on the alignment style that you have used. And also enabling ruler and printing at the same time helps in maintaining a perfect alignment for your document. And as you see, there are tab stops. The default tab stop is always left tab. You can make it decimal as well in case you want it to be in the decimal. This is the center tab. There is the right tab. Just have to click on, this is the decimal tab as I was talking about. This is the bar tab. And then you get the indents again. So this is how the tab stop works. And this is how you can align your images, your text properly with the document. A small tip, always use ruler whenever you're creating a long document. For maintaining the alignment of multiple paragraphs, multiple indentations, it is always better to use ruler. And fear not, you won't be losing on any formatting or any alignment when you are printing the document or when you're representing the document. It all remains the same. Thank you.